30,000 light years across. This distance here, remembering that the light comes to us from the sun 93 million miles in 4 minutes. So if we say this is the solar system, you can imagine the planet Earth in there somewhere. So this is the Milky Way galaxy now, and our universe contains 1 billion of these galaxies. One thousand millions, like the Milky Way. Within our universe. So the distances within our universe reach up to 26 billion light years. $26 billion light years within our universe. From the sun to the earth, we have 93 million miles. And the light takes 4 minutes to get to us from the sun. Can you imagine distances of 26 billion light years? Where are the 4 minutes within this distance, the 4 light minutes? These are 26,000 millions of light years within our universe. So now let me erase this and draw our universe. Okay, here is the Earth, the solar system, the Milky Way galaxy, our universe. This is all, of course, distorted because we don't have enough board. But when you are at the edge of the Milky Way galaxy, the planet Earth is very tiny. And when you go all the way to the border of our universe, where is the planet Earth? Do you remember where the planet Earth is? Very minute. Well, this universe is the smallest and innermost of 7 universes. Seven universes, not one. And our universe is the smallest and the innermost of the 7 universes. We have seen how vast our universe is with 26 billion light years within our universe. The second universe is much bigger. The third universe is bigger than the second. The fourth, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh universe. Our mind cannot imagine the size of the 7th universe that encompasses the other 6 universes. This is why in the last program we decided that the circumference of the 7th universe cannot be described mathematically in terms of miles or light years. Infinity is the best description of the circumference of the 7th universe. And now we get to know who God is. This will correct the concept of God in the minds of millions of people, because God is holding the 7 universes in his hand. This is what the proven statement in the scripture says. In the Quran, chapter 39, God tells us that he is holding the 7 universes in his hand. How much space do you have within the fist of your hand? And God is holding these vast distances, these vast universes within his hand. Where is the planet Earth in there? How significant is it? It is very important and very relevant to this program to understand who God is and how minute and insignificant the whole planet Earth is within God's kingdom. This illustration gives us some idea about the greatness of God and who God is. And I assure you, we didn't even come close. But we do have a better idea, and this corrects the concept of God in the minds of millions of people. God is great not only in terms of size, but also in terms of controlling everything, every atom in the heavens and the earth, down to subatomic levels. And this is a direct quotation from Quran. We learn from the scripture that God is the most gracious, the most merciful. God is love. He loves his creation. And you noticed that I started this program by saying, in the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. And this brings the inevitable question. When we look around us all over the world, we see a lot of misery, a lot of famine, starvation, poverty, accidents, earthquakes, problems, diseases, cancer. The world is full of problems. The vast majority of the world is under dictatorship, oppression, and poverty. So the inevitable question that pops up in our minds, justifiably so, is, if God is full of love and compassion and mercy, why all these problems? Why does God permit this famine, starvation, accidents, and misery? It's a legitimate question, and this program will deal with this question.